All right, I told my wife I'd make her chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Let's get into it. First up, an apron with an obscure reference. Next up, you want to get out all your pots and pans. Slice up some chicken. Let's get that going over some olive oil. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan, but definitely leave them overlapping for some reason. Really helps for even cooking. Salt and pepper, you know the drill. A little bit for the chef, you know the drill. All right, chicken's done. Let's bail them out onto this thing. Put them in the hot box. Start round 2, overcrowd, move them around, salt, pepper. What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting something. All right, I got to put away the cheese that I shredded earlier. Throw the date on it. Throw it in this thing. Don't want to be using moldy cheese in 2 weeks. What was I doing? Oh, right, some for the chef. All right, now chicken round 2 is done. Let's put it back on here. Let's put that in the hot box with the other stuff and clean off my pan. So, holy shit, scrape all this garbage off of here. There you go, landlord. I'm using a jar instead of going down the drain. Hope you're happy. All right, we're going to move the pasta water forward. Those tiny burners couldn't melt a candle. Crank it up. Did I put salt in this? I don't remember if I put salt in this. All right, let's put some salt in this. It'll be fine. All right, let's get on to the good stuff. Let's put some butter in this guy. Oh my God, that was way too hot. Oh, it's burning. Cool it off with cream. Oh, it's worse. Oh God, what do I do? Let's pour this in here, cool it off. Then I have the audacity to wonder why all my pans are warped. There we go, much better. That looks great. I am earning this. Something else is supposed to be happening. Oh right, start the noodles. Let's get those moving. We'll just jam those down in there. That's perfect. Oh shit, how long are these supposed to go? 10 minutes, that's right. Reduce. For 5 to 10 minutes. There was something else I was supposed to be doing. Oh right, lettuce for the salad. For some reason, washing lettuce is the most frustrating part of this recipe. Die, lettuce, die! No, I'm just kidding. It can't breathe. All right, we're gonna chop it this way first. Next, we gotta chop it that way. Distribute the crunchy and the leafies evenly. Keep them cold like Texas Roadhouse. All right, now this stuff's done, so we're gonna kill the heat and add some cold cream to stop it from cooking. Just like I should have been stopped from cooking. Yet here we are. Strainers are for chumps. Just go ahead and dump it right in there. Mix up all that slop. Next, we'll add 1,000 pounds of cheese. Don't forget to set aside some pasta water. Let's get some freshly ground nutmeg. This thing takes forever. Now we got some proper slop going. Don't forget to add the pasta water that we set aside. Now we're in Italy. Do a couple of these. I mean, who am I really fooling here? All right, chef, let's see how it tastes. Take a bite. Blech. No, I'm just kidding. It just needs a little bit more nutmeg, a little salt, a little more of that pizzazz. Do a few more of these for some reason. It's not helping. Whose dish is on the chopping block? That's actually pretty good. Oh shit, I almost forgot the chicken. Yoink. I'm really nostalgic for macaroni grill and the crayons. There we go. Now that looks appetizing. I thought I had a lid that fit this. Do I not? Where the hell? Does this one work? No, it doesn't work either. It's supposed to be in here. Whatever, I'll just use the one I started with. Good enough for government work. Send it into the abyss. And there you have it. Chicken fettuccine Alfredo from your friends at Macaroni Grill.